Yo, what's up guys? Andy from TapLab here, back with another buying $1 of Bitcoin everyday update. Today is day number 841. Sorry I haven't been uploading. YouTube gave me a bunch of strikes and it took me like a week to clear them out, get them reversed. And honestly, it's super annoying. Like they just keep giving me strikes that I have to appeal and like send them 50 tweets to get reversed, and it's just messing up my channel. It's insane. But anyways, taking a look at Bitcoin, just crazy lately. So we had a high of around, this is showing about 64,000. I know it went below 30,000, but it's probably different for different exchanges. So this is showing 33,000. But anyways, Bitcoin lost about half of its value, up a little today, down 12% on the week, down 24% on the month, up 328% on the year. So in my opinion, lots of coordinated effort to drop the Bitcoin price so that whales, institutions, banks, big money can accumulate more. Like they just want to shake out as many people as possible so they can accumulate more. And in my personal opinion, I don't know if the dip is over. This bounce is okay, but it's not like an amazing bounce. For this experiment, it doesn't matter. We're dollar cost averaging, buying $1 of Bitcoin every single day. That's why I always say dollar cost averaging is the best strategy, because you're just investing a little bit every day. If you believe in the asset long term, then you're chilling, you're good to go. If you're trying to trade and do a bunch of fancy stuff, then this is probably a stressful time for you. So I want to take a look at a chart real quick. So there's a couple things that I like, couple things that I don't like. So there's this trend line back from March 2020, and we hit that line and we bounced. What I don't like is that we're still under the moving averages on the daily, and this one's kind of starting to curl over. By the way, I use 100 and 200 days for the averages, and we're still under this one. We didn't get above that. Maybe we come here, start to get above these, but I don't know. I could see this breaking this trend and just coming down. But what I don't like here is that this is curling over and we're under both of these on the daily. If we go back to like any of these bull markets, anytime you get under this red, it's not a good sign. So like here's the 2017 bull market. You can see that we never went under that red. And you can see that the green never started to curl over. As soon as we went under the red, the green started to curl over, like the bull run is over. That's something I don't like. Even back in 2013, I guess this did start to curl over and we got back above, so maybe something like that is more realistic. And there was a 75% dip back in 2013. Pretty long video today, guys. Trying to give you guys a lot of good information here. So if we look at this drop, it's about 52%, so more than usual, more than we're used to. We're used to seeing a lot of 30 and 40% drops back here in 2017, but it's still less than that 75% drop that we saw before. Like I said, this bounce is just not amazing to me right now. So let's go to a weekly chart. So we're following this trend. We could stay in this and break out, but you know, if we break this trend line, it's probably coming down to this weekly trend. And if we zoom out here, like this is the previous all-time high, so I could see us retesting that, which is about 20,000, and then that would hit this green trend line. That might be a good point to buy if it breaks through that. Probably looking at this red trend line, which is going to be about 14. And if we take a look at history, like the red trend line, I think this is the 200-day moving average on the weekly view. Basically the ultimate buy. You know, if you bought here, you're set. If you bought here, you're set. If you bought here, you're doing good. So the red trend line has been the ultimate buy so far. So if you have a huge position, if you're a trader, you might want to look out for this stuff. If you're dollar cost averaging, just keep on buying every day. That's what I'm doing here. Bitcoin owned 0.08710,280. Let's go ahead, buy today's Bitcoin. Tap buy, tap $1, tap next. Scan my fingerprint. Tap confirm. And tap done. Just like that, we've added one more dollar of Bitcoin. Bitcoin owned 0.08712,848. So let's go ahead and do the math on this. I have $3,288 of Bitcoin. 3288 divided by 841 days equals a 3.9x on my investment, so still doing very well over the long term. What this means, for every dollar that I put into this experiment, I now have $3.90. Continuing to dollar cost average, I could see this getting a lot worse. I could see it just pumping straight up and going to new all-time highs. I think it's being highly manipulated by big players and big money. You know, they want to shake out all the small players and accumulate more. And if they don't think they accumulated enough, they'll probably just dump it further. So when you're a small player, you're kind of just along for the ride. But long term, I think Bitcoin is still an amazing investment. So nothing to fear. Crypto is here for the long run. It's just getting started, and you're gonna have to deal with this crazy volatility if you want to be involved. So that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you found it helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.